riders, we got the secret golden envelope. Riders, volunteers, donors, and supporters, we are thrilled to announce that collectively we have raised, wait for it, $20 million! Woo!
And Frank, oh, there we go. And Frank, you also locked the coat.
Also, I looked in the window, the keys are on your bed.
Yeah, when you put it
Fausto, how you doing? Fausto, how's it going so far?
There's no air conditioning in my building, Frank. What do you think?
Thanks, guys.
Hey, thank you, Frankie.
Rolling across the finish line. Nice to see. The wave's not stopping. And these riders, they're riding on. They're going to get to the finish line. They're going to barrel through to the finish.
7 a.m.? Is that where you're going?
That driver had a tough time. La Maglia Nera. It's a Giro d'Italia jersey that's awarded to the person, and it says L'arte de perdere. It's the art of losing. It's given to the Giro d'Italia rider who comes in last place, and it's a very symbolic gesture. It means that he or she, but mostly he never gives up, and that's important in life, never to give up. It's a symbolic. When I saw it, I thought, you know what, yeah, that's what life's all about. There's a lot of challenges in life. We all go through it, mental, physical, financial, spiritual, whatever you're going through. Never give up. remember, l'arte de perdere. Never give up. Remember that. Ciao.